Subplots from a multi-index Pandas dataframe grouped by level. How I do multiple plot from a multi-index Pandas dataframe, based on one of the levels of the multi-index. I have results from a model with different technologies usage in different scenarios. The results could look something like this. DFG would have the technologies employed each year for each scenario. I would like to have a subplot for each scenario sharing the legend. If I simply use the argument subplots equals true, then it plots all the possible combinations, 12 subplots. Based on this response, I got closer to what I was looking for. But the result is not ideal. Each subplot has a different legend, and that makes it quite difficult to read. There must be an easier way to do subplots from a multi-index dataframes. Thanks. Edit 1. Ted Patro proposed a nice solution, using seaborn factor plot, but I have two issues. I already have a style defined and I'd rather not use the seaborn style. One solution could be change the parameters of seaborn. The other problem is that I wanted to use a stacked bar plot, which require considerable extra tweaks. Any chance I can do something similar with matplotlib?
In my opinion, it's easier to do a data analysis when you tidy up your data, making each column represent one variable. Here, you have all 4 years represented in different columns. Pandas has one function and one method to make long tidy data from wide messy data. You can use df.stack or pd.meltdf to tidy your data. Then you can take advantage of the excellent Seaborn library, which expects tidy data to easily plot most anything you want. Tidy the data. Use Seaborn.
Actualizing the answer, the factorplot function has been renamed to catplot. Here is a link to Seaborn documentation. Thus you want to use it instead.
Isn't it important?